podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, Ilet's board my imaginary boat, heading to 46 Bear Street here. We are in front of a very pretty half-timbered house, but above all in front of the birthplace of Pierre Louis Dulong, as mentioned on the plaque located just above your head. But who was he exactly? Pierre Louis Dulong was a chemist and physicist, author of work on the specific heat, expansion, and refractive index of gases. Among the unusual things to know about Dulong, in October 1811, he discovered nitrogen chloride. A year later, in 1812, an explosion caused him to lose an eye and 2 fingers following scientific experiments. In chemistry, a law bears his name, Dulong's law. And finally, if one day you go to Paris, try to find his name, which is inscribed on the Eiffel Tower among the 71 other names of men of science.